Welcome to another video. I've been working on this for a while. Not a while. Just yesterday morning. I fixed the roof. It was all smashed in. I added these. I moved it. Crap. Still drying, it seems. There we go. Put those on. Here's the donor car. I got all the parts I wanted off of it. I did this to pry up the trunk. Gotta make sure there's no bodies in there. Just joking. Before you yell at me, this is just a donor car. I love that car more than this car, and when I got it, it was already broken. The axles are snapped. It was a drag car, and I didn't really like it. The doors were all messed up. They wouldn't open right. So I just started taking it apart. It's got the parts I wanted. And it's actually doing me a really good favor. I just added the windows in today. I cracked the back window by taking it out, but that's alright. I'm adding this one because it's sun-baked and it'll remind me of how I left it in a flower bed for over a year and a half. I destroyed this when I was 12. I'm 14 now. And I love this car. 14. I need to fix this was an axle from one of my other cars. The original wheels. I couldn't find the last wheel, so I used the parts one. And I put off-road wheels because why not? And that's about it. You just need to put on the axles and put in the engine, and she'll be beautiful again. Well, not as beautiful. I don't want to paint it or anything. I did add the donor car door because I was missing the door, and it was other door is basically broken. And my next project is this. And this is my very first build. I'd put stuff over the seats. The bed was messed up, so I made it into a wooden bed. And I had chains. And a girl from my very first big scale truck. It was a Motor Max. I was 5 when I destroyed it. And this is the only piece. I also have the hood. This is basically the only piece I have in the hood. And my last but not least project is my Bel Air. I've been working on them. This one's been in the junkyard for the longest time. And this one, you see in my videos. You must have seen them in my videos in the junkyard when it flooded. I'm putting a lift kit on this one, and I just need to put that one back together because it snapped. Glued in. Hold on. And this is the back end. The tail lights are from. This is the original back end. The bumper is from the donor. Even the lights are from the donor. This is from the donor. It was a Z28. And this one's just the Thinking SS. That's gonna be it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Later.